Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you how to adjust the valves on your 150cc Carter Talon go-kart. So if you're like me, you have a gas and you have spark. In fact, you change entire electrical kit or wiring harness around the back right here, which I already did. Haven't wired it up yet. I tried spraying fuel start inside of it, nothing happened, just kept spinning and spinning and spinning, but it didn't start. If you're having the same problem as that, then your issue is the valves. And the way how you could tell is when you take the valve cover off and you feel one of these rockers, you see how loose it is at top dead center. This one is not loose. This is the intake valve, so this is good, but the exhaust valve is loose. So you're not gonna have any compression. So it's just gonna keep on spinning and spinning and spinning. In order to fix that, there is a nut right here. You gotta screw that nut loose and then adjust this little pin right here. Once you do that, get your feeler gauge. I bought this one from Amazon. And you slide it in there, in and out, and you got to make sure it's the right fit. So for the exhaust from the feeler gauge, I'm gonna look for 0.005 for the exhaust. That's 0.004, 0.005. That's what I need. And then I'm gonna slide it in between the gap between